we discussed about the finding remainder of the given polynomial. Now today we are going to factorization of polynomials. Factorization of polynomials. How to factorize? In previous class we learned and division method we did factors. Now in this class we are going to solve given polynomial as factors by using the factor theorem. By using the factor theorem. What is factor theorem? If p of x is any polynomial in x, if x minus a is divides p of x, when it is if p of a is equals to 0. If p of a is equals to 0, then it is p of x is any integral function. It is divided by x minus a. If it gives, if p of a is equals to 0, if p of a is equals to 0, then only divisible. Then only it is divisible. Otherwise, not divisible. Otherwise, not divisible or not a factor. As per remainder theorem only, but statement will be different. In remainder theorem, what we learn? P of x is any integral function. When divided by x minus a, the remainder is p of a we learned. Now here, if p of a is 0, p of x is any integral function, p of a is 0, then x minus a is factor. X minus a is factor. Based on this factor theorem, we are going to solve some problems in exercise 2.4. Before 2.4, any crisis problems are there? In page number 45, show that x minus 1 is a factor of x power n minus 1. X minus 1 is factor of x power n minus 1. Here let p of x is given factor is what mark? Given polynomial x power n minus 1. When x minus 1 becomes a factor, 0 of this x minus 1 is 1. That's not according to factor theorem. X minus a is divisible means if p of a is 0, x minus a in place of x, x only here minus as it is. In place of a, what number exists here? 1. So p of 1 substitute. P of 1. So 1 power n minus 1. For any power of n, 1, it always becomes 1 only. 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 power 4 is 1. So whatever value of n, for any value of n, the 1 power n becomes 1 only. 1 power n becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So x minus 1 is factor of which one? X power n minus 1. Here you ask to show that. Not given a statement. You have to show why it is a factor. Why it is a factor? X minus 1. If p of 1 is 0, so x minus 1 is factor. X minus 1 is factor. Otherwise, it is not a factor. Next page. Do this. Factorize the following. Factorize the following. In previous class, we learned how to factorize by splitting into 4 terms. 3 terms will be split into 4 terms. 19x plus 15. In previous class, we learned how to factorize. We should multiply first and last terms. We should multiply first and last terms. What is the product of first and last term here? 6x square into 15. 6x square into 15, that is 90x square. 15 6 are 90. 90x square. Now 90x square will be divided into 2 factors. Product of any 2 numbers. X square will getting x into x only. Now 90 will divide into 2 factors to get middlemost term 19. By which number we are getting? 6 into 15 also 91. But if we are adding this, we are getting 21. If you are subtracting 9 but not 19. So what number you should take? You have to remain all 10 and 9 also factors. So 10x, 9x. 10x and 9x. 10 plus 9 is 19 only. Now write 6x square plus 10x plus 9x plus 15. 9x plus 15. Now each two terms taken as one part. In that two terms, what number is common or what factor is common? You should take out. In 6x square and 10x. In x square, x exists. Here also x exists. So x is common. Additional to that, what number is exist? Here 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. That means 2x is taken out. 2x is taken out. What remains here? 3x. 3x plus 5. 5 only, not 5x. Already x is taken out here. X square means x into x. 2 times having. That's why 1 time is taken, 1 time you are getting. But here only 1x, x power 1 only. So already x is taken out. So we are getting only 5. In the next part, what is the common? X is not common. First term contains x, but next term doesn't contain the x term. So, which table is common now? 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. So, 3 is taken out. So, here 3x plus 5. After taking the common part, in the brace, what term are you getting? That is common. You should write like that only. So, now this is common, na? So, again taken out. 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 is taken out. What remains here? 2x. In the brace you should write 2x. After this combination, connective is what my here? Plus. So plus, here what remains? 3. Therefore, factors of, you have to write factors of 6x square plus 19x plus 15 are what more? 3x plus 5 and 2x plus 3. These are the factors. Here 2 more problems are there into this. You should solve that. And next, after that exercise. Determine which of the following polynomials as x plus 1 as factor. X plus 1 as factor. Which one? There are so many polynomials given. It's not only one polynomial. There are more than one polynomial is given, but I am solving only one for you. Here, which one I should take, ma? In page number 48. Which one should I explain? Fourth one. So x cube minus x square minus 3 minus root 3 of x plus root 3. What we have to do is show that or verify x plus 1 is factor, is not? X plus 1 is factor of x cube minus x square minus of 3 minus 3 of x, root 3 of x plus root 3 plus root 3. Just we have to substitute in place of x minus a. Here what exists now? X plus 1. According to factor theorem only. According to factor theorem, here x plus 1 in place of x minus a, x plus 1 here. That means in x plus x only. In place of a, what number here? Plus 1. But what you have in factor theorem? Minus. So here in place of a you should take minus 1. Minus of minus becomes plus again. So minus 1 we are getting in place of a. If you are getting confusion, if there is any confusion, then you should write 0 of the divisor. This is 0 of the divisor. What it is? Now 0 of x plus 1 is x plus 1 is equals to 0, which implies x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1. While we are transposing, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So that's why here x is equals to minus 1. Now substitute according to factor theorem. P of x is what, Maya? X cube minus x square minus of 3 minus root 3 of x plus root 3. Now we have to check P of minus 1. 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. So we should substitute minus 1 in place of x. In place of x. So minus 1 whole cube minus again minus 1 whole square minus embrace 3 minus root 3 into minus 1, not plus 1. Where x exists, there you should write minus 1 only. Next root 3 constant number, that one as it is. Now simplify it. Minus 1 cube, that means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 3 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 into again minus 1. It becomes again minus 1. Plus into minus what, ma? Minus. So minus 1. Again here minus symbol connected. Minus into minus, what square you having? Square means 2 times. Multiplication is 2 times. Minus 1 into minus 1, it becomes plus. So plus 1. But in between, already you have minus. Next here, minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus is, this becomes totally plus. So bracket on right as it is. So plus 3 minus root 3. When we multiply with 1, that value doesn't change. Again we are getting the same number. Next plus root 3. Now plus root 3 minus root 3. Getting 0. Yes, na? Plus root 3 minus root 3 becomes 0. Here minus 1 minus 2. Here plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is how much? Minus 2 plus 3. 1. Minus 2 plus 3, 1 is? 1. So now, are you getting 0 here? No. If P of E is 0, then only it is factor. Otherwise, not a factor. Therefore, P of minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor of x cube minus x square minus of 3 minus root 3 of x plus root 3. This conclusion you should write after completion of the solution. Okay, na? Next, in the same pattern, here 3 more having. Yes, na? Factor theorem to determine whether g of x is factor of f of x in each of the following cases. According to factor theorem only asking. That means like that only. In that bit also I will explain one problem for you. Remaining problems you have to solve yourself. Which one should I explain? Ask me. Fifth one. Now f of x is equals to, in the fifth one what is given? F of x is equals to 4x cube plus 20x square plus 33x plus 18. And g of x is equals to 2x plus 3. What is the question given? Whether g of x is factor of f of x or not. We have to check. In each of the following given letter. Now that means g of x is a factor of f of x. G of x is factor of f of x. We should find. Now 0 of 0 g of x. 0 of g of x is 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now 2x is equals to, this plus 3 is transposing. What it becomes? Speak out. Minus 3. Now you want x only. So 2 also sending outside. That is transposing. Where did it get 2? Here in multiplication. Outside sending means in division. That means 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 x value now. F of x is what given? 4x cube plus 20x square plus 33x plus 18. Now f of what number we should substitute? What value we are getting for x? Minus 3 by 2. So f of minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. That means in place of x we should substitute minus 3 by 2. 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole cube plus 20 into minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 33 into minus 3 by 2 plus 18. Now 4 as it is into minus 3 into minus 3 by 2 whole cube means it will exist for both numerator and denominator. It means minus 3 cube and minus 2 cube also. Minus 3 cube and 2 cube. Minus 3 cube and 2 cube. We have from a by b whole power m is a power m by b power m in 8th class learned exponents and powers. Now it means 3 power minus 3 means minus 3 power 3. That means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. 3 times minus 3. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Totally we are getting minus product. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 by 2 cube. That means 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8 plus 20 into 3 by 2 whole square. Minus or plus. It is an even number, we are getting positive only. So 9 by 4. Here plus into minus. Minus 33 into 3. That is 99 by 2 plus 18. Here 4 ones are 4 twos are. Next here also 4 ones are 4 fives are. Only where multiplication form appears, there only we get cancellation. After that here plus, here minus, here again plus. So don't cancel 2 9s or 18. If it is in multiplication form, then only you will make cancel. Alright, what remains here? Minus 27 by 2. Okay now? By 2. 5 9s are 45 minus 99 by 2 plus 18. Now here by 2 by 2. If you want to take LCM, then take, but no need to take the LCM. Simplify. Both the denominators are same and both the symbols are the same, minus minus. So addition only here. Now 27 and 99. What do you get? Add that. 27 and 99. How much are you getting? 126 minus 126 by 2. By 2. Denominator will be remain same. Next 45 plus 18. 45 plus 18. How much? 63. 63. Now 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. So that is minus 63. And it is plus 63. Minus 63 plus 63 value is how much? Minus 63 plus 63. 0. That means 63 minus 63. 0. So f of minus 3 by 2, how much are you getting? 0. So it is a factor or not?
Factor.
So g of x is g of x equals to 2x plus 3 is factor of f of x is equals to 4x cube plus 20x square plus 33x plus 18. Okay, in the same manner we have 3 or more problems now. 4 more problems you have to solve. Only 2 bits you have to do today. If you are able to solve, then find the third, fourth also. Here how many, ma'am? 1 by 1. First Here g of x, in place of g of x, one time you should take x minus 2 once, x plus 3 one time, and x minus 4 another time. That means 3 times you have to follow this method. 3 times. Okay now? That means here first 0 of x minus 2. How much? X is equals to 2 we are getting. Given polynomial is assumed as p of x. Given polynomial is assumed as p of x. So p of 2 find out. If it is 0, it is a factor. If it is not 0, not a factor. Next, after completion of that, next go for the x plus 3. X plus 3. 0 of x plus 3 is x is equals to minus 3. Now again, p of minus 3 find out. P of minus 3. Just I am giving a hint to you. You should solve that. Okay na? What is given? Show that x minus 2. Next. X plus 3 and x minus 4 are factors of x cube minus 3x square 10x plus 24. First, x minus 2 only should take. Let p of x is given polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Plus 24. Given polynomial as it is I taken. Now 0 of x minus 2. 0 of x minus 2 is x minus 2 is equals to 0, which implies x is equals to 2. Now write p of 2. P of 2. X cube, that means 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 10 into 2 plus 24. 2 cube is 8 minus 3 into 2 square is 4 minus 10 into 2 20 plus 24. Now plus terms add. This 2 only contains plus symbols now. So 8 plus 24 32. This 3 4s are 12 minus 20 as it is. Now 32 minus 12 minus 20. Same symbols now, so addition, but symbol is minus. 32 minus 32 0. 32 minus 32 0. Therefore x minus 2 is factor of x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Now again at 0 of, now next number is what? X plus 3 is, x plus 3 is equals to 0, which implies x is equals to minus 3. Plus 3 will be transposed, then it becomes minus. Now find out p of minus 3. So minus 3 whole cube minus 3 into minus 3 square. Okay. Next minus 10 into minus 3 plus 24. Plus 24. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. Next, here it becomes plus 27. 3 into minus 3 square is 9. Minus into minus plus 10 3s are 30 plus 24. Plus 24. Now after simplification, 27 minus 27. This 30 plus 24. Plus symbols now, 54 it becomes. Minus 27 minus 27 also 54. Minus 54. Minus 54 plus 54. 0. In the same manner, next check for the x minus 4. In the same process. Okay na? Next, third one also, sorry, fourth one. Fourth is also same. You have to check in the same manner. Okay na? Fifth and sixth, next problem we will see tomorrow. Okay na?